Okay, in this trigonometry problem, we are looking at a situation where from Wu's position, the top of a building is 53 degrees. So Wu is standing here. And from the horizontal, and from Tom's position, the top of the building is 30 degrees. So here's Tom's position. Okay, and they're both looking up to the top of a building here. Okay, if the building is 42 meters tall, how far apart are Tom and Wu? So we want this distance. So what we can find is we can find this distance and this distance and subtract the two. Okay, so let's start with this. We have here 53 degrees. The building is vertical to the horizontal and has a height of 42. So we call this side here the opposite because we're dealing with right angle trigonometry. We call this side here the adjacent. And since we are dealing with the opposite over the adjacent, our ratio is tan. So the tan of 53 degrees is opposite over adjacent, and I'm going to call that x. Okay, so in order to solve for x, x is 42 divided by tangent of the angle 53. Okay, so I'll grab my calculator. 42 over tan 53. 42 divided by tan 53, and make sure that I am in degree mode. And 31.6. Okay. Okay, so x is 31.6 meters. Okay. Good. That's the distance from Wu to the building. Now we follow a similar process to find the distance from Tom to the building. Except for now, the angle of elevation from Tom is tan 30 equals 42 divided by, let's call that y. Okay? So again, using our algebra, 42, the opposite, divided by tangent of 30 is going to give the whole distance from Tom to the building. Okay, so in this case, we're going to use tangent of 30. Okay, so that's 72.7. Okay, 72.7. Okay, but what we want to know is how far apart are Wu and Tom. So you want to know this distance here. Okay, so that is 72.7 subtract 31.6, which we should see is 41.1 meters. Oops, 41.1 meters.